In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the text of a printed document larger using Google Docs, whether you're browsing with Firefox or Google Chrome. Sometimes, despite your best efforts to set the perfect font size on screen, the printed version might not be quite what you expected. Let's dive in to ensure your documents print with easy-to-read text. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. Open your web browser and type in the Google Drive URL. Once you're there, navigate to the document you wish to print by either locating it in your list of files or using the search bar for quicker access. Next, open the document. You'll notice a toolbar at the top of Google Docs containing various options. Among those, you'll find a printer icon on the upper left side. Clicking this icon will open the print dialog box, allowing you to see a print preview of your document. Once you've got the print preview open, you need to access additional print settings. Look for a link or button that says More Settings. This option is usually easy to spot and will open up a panel with further customization choices. In these advanced settings, you'll see an option labeled Scale. This setting is what you'll use to adjust the text size of your printed document. Increasing the scale will enlarge the text and other elements on the page, so gradually increase the number here until the preview shows a size you're happy with. Remember, it's a good idea to check how the text looks in the preview as you make adjustments, ensuring everything fits correctly on the page. Moving on from printer settings, there's another method to adjust text size directly within Google Docs. To do this, head back to your document. Highlight all the text in the document by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text or using the Select All option from the Edit menu. After highlighting, look for the font size selector in the toolbar. This helps you increase the font size directly, and you can go up a few points until you find a satisfactory number. Finally, satisfied with the adjustments and happy with the preview, you can proceed to print the document. Click the Print button, often found at the bottom of the Print Settings dialog. Ensure the printer you're using is correctly configured and make any last-minute checks to the print preview before finalizing your print. With these steps, you've successfully adjusted and printed your document with larger text, ensuring it's comfortable to read once on paper. These methods provide a practical approach to controlling your document's output, regardless of the browser you're using. Happy printing!